Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to make this tray a seascape with some beach on it. Therefore I already colored the tray with some acrylics in the colors of water, and where the white spots are at, I add the sand that I mixed with the resin. And I sped that up so you don't have to watch me hours doing that. Here I'm torching to get the bubbles out of the sand. There weren't many, and even if I missed one, you wouldn't see it because the structure of the sand. And there I have some seashells that I want to put on the sand, some different kinds. I like it better if it's some mixture of different ones than always the same. But less is more in that case. That's why I only like choose 4 or 5 of them. I take some clear resin and put it on the border of the sand so the colored resin won't be leaking on the sand. Now I have some turquoise, but it's more teal, and it's a darker teal for the first color of the shallow water. And then I take some middle blue, stirring around so the color is evenly mixed, and pour it onto the tray. And after that, I put the dark blue that I have on there. So I'll pour the rest of all the colors that I have on the tray and try to mix them with my stick a little so they blend and the lines won't be so harsh. I torched the bubbles that been risen because I was stirring in the resin quite a bit, and yeah. Sometimes I like bubbles in my projects, but not this time. For my waves, I mixed a little bit of resin, just a very small amount, with some pigment paste white, and now I'm trying to blow it out with my heat gun. And there I blew too much on one spot and all the white went on top. I didn't like that, so I put some more white on that spot to close it back up. So now I blow the white back out and I fixed the mistake I made. Well, I seen that my table wasn't level because the white was running down towards the sand, so I put something underneath to prevent that. And there was something on top in the dark blue color from the waves that I didn't like, so I decided to swirl that back around and try to blow it out again. Well, that worked to my liking, and I'm about to finish that project. I have some more clear resin left, and I will coat my shells with it so they're going to be shiny too, like the rest of the picture. So this is about it for that project. I paint the tray, the rest, what you can see of it, I painted in gold, and I'll show you after the video is done pictures of the result. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you if you give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or maybe subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you will be notified if there is a new video coming out from me. So until then. Bye bye.